Welcome to another video from Gweilo 60. Today we're in rural Guangxi Autonomous Region at the Li Village at the elementary school. And why are we here at this elementary school in the Li Village in Guangxi? Well, let me tell you, these children have been scooping water out of a 10-gallon pail for drinking water at school during the day when they're at school. This water has to be boiled by teachers or people that work at the school. When you dip your cup in, it's a dip and drink type thing. Well, everybody dips their cup in. How many kids are washing their glasses or cups? How many kids come with a cold or a flu, or you know, all of these different little things. It's not safe, it's not clean, it's not the way it's supposed to be. So what we're here to do today is to install a drinking water filtration system for the children. And yes, it would not have been able to be possible without the patrons, the children's Patreon account patrons. So first off, I've got to thank all of the people that have donated to the children's Patreon account, and this is just one of the projects that we have ongoing. We don't do a lot of videos on the children's Patreon account because a lot of it is personal. A lot of it is dealing with people in their personal homes and people that are just down and out on their luck. We're here to help people, not to embarrass them. But when it comes to something like this, it's an institution, man. We can make as many videos as we want. So let's go in, check this out. As you can see by walking through the door here, and the size of the school, it's not a rich area by any means. We're not in urban China, we're in rural China. And when you look at the school that we're sitting at right now in Li Village, you can tell that it's not a very rich area. You can tell that the children don't have a lot of amenities. It's not urban China, it's not the big city. They don't have the amenities, as I say, that the bigger, the larger schools, the ones with lots of cash. So if we can help these little guys and girls out just a little bit, we're gonna do it. Actually, for this particular project, we teamed up with Gweilo. It's a group that actually does sort of charity things. They're good people, and over their history of this group, they've put in 300 water filtration stations in 124 schools. So this is just another one. We're just a small part of this. We'd like to be bigger. If you guys want to help out more, that would help us actually do more. But today, it's all about the children. And this is a group I was talking about, Gweilo group, putting in the water filtration systems. We brought two of them today. One of them is due to the children's Patreon account on Gweilo 60 channel. So you can see the people behind me, they take this seriously. They all come and they're putting it in because this is a pretty big thing for this little community here. To have fresh water for the elementary children to drink every day is a big deal. And when we bought this, the first thing that came to my mind is filters. Who's going to change the filters? Who's going to pay for changing the filters? And all of this, you know, because you wouldn't want a filter to plug up. They take the filter off and then the kids are just drinking bad water. Guaranteed warranty, 10 years. They come and they service it on a regular basis. They change the filters. It's all included in what we paid for this unit. So for the next 10 years, the children at this school at Li Village in Guangxi Autonomous Region are going to be drinking clean drinking water, and it's thanks to the patrons of the Gweilo 60 Children's Patreon account that this is happening today at this school in China. So everybody give yourself a pat on the back. If it wasn't for you guys, this wouldn't be happening, and I can't thank you enough. This is a feel-good thing, you know. I love stuff like this. This is you don't even see a beer in my hand. I'm high on life rather than beer. But the thing is that with more initiatives like this, we can just make the world just a little bit better. You know what I mean? So you're probably wondering why the guy's wiring the water station into the electrical outlet there. Well, this ain't no small job, guys. You know, the people in China like to drink their water hot. Go figure. I like my water cold, but so they've got hot water and they've got cold water. So to you patrons out there, take a close look, because these are the people that you're changing a little bit of their life. You're making their life just a little bit better. These are the ones. Not me, not Wei Fang. These people, like this guy here, with no teeth. And I would just about guarantee you that they don't see a lot of foreigners in this area of China. Rural areas of China don't get a lot of attention from people from abroad, well, foreigners. And I find that it's probably one of the better places to go to see how people actually live, see how nice the people are, and see the smiles of the kids. Bye-bye. Yes, we could have paid a whole bunch of money for a beautiful plaque, but it's not about Gweilo. It's not about the patrons, it's about the children. So a little bit of paint works fine. Wei Fang, do you feel better about yourself now than you did when you woke up this morning?
No.
What do you mean no?
I'm not sleeping now. 5:30.
Oh yeah, we were up at 5:30. It's a 4-hour drive out here.
Yeah,
but do you feel better about yourself?
Yes, of course. Here the kids. This is so nice.
What it's all about.
Yes.
Again, thank you to all of my patrons. Actually, I'm a patron of my own Patreon account. Well, you know, as I say, it's for a good cause. I was going to bring Leon along on this trip, but Leon ended up in hospital and probably wouldn't be good enough to take this trip. But Leon, next time for sure, we'll bring you along. And he's a patron, he's a buddy in Nanning. So it's not just people abroad, it's not people in Canada, it's not people in the United States, it's not people just in China, it's foreigners in China that, and actually myself, as I said before, that contribute to the Patreon account in Suntan. A lot of times you send me WeChat cash for beer and stuff like that. A lot of that goes on to the Patreon account too. Sorry man, I just can't drink that much beer, but I appreciate all of the help that you've done helping the channel, and I appreciate all of the help that everybody around the world has given our Patreon account, so we can actually come and do stuff like this. It's a feel-good day. You know what I mean? One other thing, if you ever thought that if you're a teacher in the Western world and you ever thought that you had it rough, if you had it bad, you saw how many kids are in one little room. And this is actually where the teachers live, you know, so like these rural schools are a little rough on everybody, not just the children, but the teachers too. But you know what? Somehow they make it work. It's the Chinese way. Anyway, that's another video from Gweilo 60. If you like this video, as always, like, comment, subscribe, push that share button. Don't forget to resubscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell. And whatever you do, boys and girls, don't forget to put a couple bucks in the children's Patreon account. It is for a good cause. From Lee Village here at the elementary school, thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye now.